Have you ever wondered about the security measures you should take while making RTGS, NEFT, or IMPS transactions? In the digital age, online banking has become a part of our daily lives, but with this convenience comes the potential risk of fraud and unauthorized access. RTGS, NEFT, and IMPS are popular online transaction methods, but they're not without their vulnerabilities. When making online transactions, it's crucial to take certain security measures to protect yourself from fraud and unauthorized access. Let's dive into some. First and foremost, always use secure and trusted channels for initiating transactions. This means avoiding public or unsecured Wi-Fi networks, which are open invitations for attackers to intercept your data. Next, let's talk about verifying recipient details. It's easy to mistype an account number or IFSC code, and the consequences can be disastrous. So, always double check these details before you hit that transfer button. Better yet, confirm the details directly with the recipient. Now, on to login credentials. Your usernames, passwords, and one-time passwords with OTPs are the keys to your financial kingdom. Keep them secure and never share them with any oni. Opt for strong, unique passwords and consider two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. When it comes to initiating online transactions, stick to the official mobile apps or websites provided by your bank. Links or apps from unknown sources could be wolves in sheep's clothing waiting to snatch your sensitive information. Transaction alerts are your real-time watchdogs. Enable them on your mobile banking app or opt for SMS email alerts from your bank. This way, you're instantly notified of any transactions, putting you a step ahead of any unscrupulous activity. By following these basic measures, you significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to online banking fraud. Moving on to more advanced security measures, it's paramount to keep your software updated. Regularly updating your banking app, operating system, and antivirus software ensures that you're protected against known vulnerabilities and security threats. These updates often patch up security loopholes that cybercriminals might exploit to gain unauthorized access to your account. So don't ignore those update notifications. They're your first line of defense. Now let's talk about the importance of vigilance. Regularly monitoring your account activity is a must. It's like keeping a watchful eye on your online banking world. Keep a keen eye on your bank account statements and transaction history. If you spot any unauthorized or suspicious activity, report it to your bank immediately. Quick action can often prevent further damage. In the digital world, not all that glitters is gold. Phishing attempts are more common than you might think. Attackers try to trick you into revealing sensitive information or login credentials through fake emails, text messages, or even phone calls. Always verify the authenticity of communications from your bank. Never click on suspicious links or provide personal information to unknown sources. Remember, your bank will never ask for your password or OTP over the phone or via email. Setting transaction limits on your account can also be an effective security measure. It limits the amount of funds that can be transferred in a single transaction or within a specific time frame. This can help minimize the impact of unauthorized transactions or fraud. It's like putting a safety net under your high-wire online banking activities. Lastly, never underestimate the power of knowledge. Stay informed about common online banking scams, security best practices, and fraud prevention tips. educate yourself and your family members about the risks associated with online transactions and how to stay safe while banking online. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's a powerful shield against cyber threats. Implementing these advanced measures will provide an added layer of security to your online banking transactions. So, as we've seen, there are numerous security measures that you can take to ensure safe online transactions. From using secure channels and verifying recipient details to keeping your credentials secure and using official apps or websites, you have a range of tools at your disposal. Don't forget to enable transaction alerts and keep your software updated. Regular monitoring of your account activity can go a long way in detecting any suspicious activity. Always be alert for phishing attempts, set transaction limits for added protection, and continually educate yourself about online banking scams and security best practices. Remember, your security is in your hands. By following these security measures and staying vigilant, you can help protect yourself from fraud and unauthorized access while making online transactions using RTGS, NEFT, or IMPS. Stay safe and secure in your online banking journey.